What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the daily. We're also zooming in here on the 4 hourly, on the 2 hourly, broken out from this descending wedge, but we haven't managed to break above the last lower high. There is no volume from this breakout. Is this just a big, massive fake out? I'm also going to explain with VPVR, VPSV also, why we are getting this heavy rejection at $39,000. We're taking a look at fib levels also, so make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. News to the channel. Make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto. Also to live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. Let's dive in, guys, because what I want to show you here is super important. We are hitting one of the strongest resistance that we do have inside of the 5 month of volume traded. And I'm going to explain you with VPVR. It is exactly the $39,000 range. Exactly. We got the biggest point of control from the volume traded for the last 5 months. What is the problem here? Now we are hitting this major support, like explained on latest videos. Higher lows on the ascending channel. We've also got a major daily and weekly level here, holding pretty nicely, getting those bounces. We are breaking out from the descending wedge. Everybody's getting a little bit bullish, not everybody, but thinking that we are, this is it, this is the breakout. And I want to explain how we need to be super cautious on this movement. All right, if you've been longing the lows here, I would protect my position. We got the FOMC meeting at 8 o'clock Central European time. It is at 2 p.m. Eastern time there in the US. And we can see a lot of volatility. We don't really know exactly what interest rates are going to go up. Is it going to be 0.75, 0.5? Very likely it's going to be 0.75. This probably is going to have an impact to the market to the downside, especially if the markets are pumping. All right, today, in between yesterday and today, if it starts pumping, it's very likely this is a reason why they'll push the price down afterwards. Okay, probably not, probably yes, nobody really knows. Technicals are saying we are looking pretty good to have some more momentum to the upside. But what I want to show you here, looking at the 4 hourly chart, that there is absolutely no volume from this breakout. We can take a look at the 4 hourly, the 1 hourly. The volume is very, very low. Volume is actually going down while we're actually pumping here. So this is not a good sign. The moment is now in the next few hours, we need to consolidate at this range and have a massive leg to the upside with big volume, okay? Because if not, this is very possible, very likely that we're just going to turn round and get back in this zone, start breaking major support levels, guys. So make sure to stay super cautious. It is a very tricky day for trading. And as you can see here on the VPVR, just looking at the last 10, 15 days, okay, of volume traded, that $39,000. Look at this on the VPVR, the biggest point of control. We're getting massive support here, massive rejection twice already for the last few days, not managing to get above this range, okay? And if I take a look at the VPSV, basically, which is showing you the volume traded, all right, from the last 10 days on each day, okay, you can see the strength right over here. We got one over here from the 25th of April, also here on the 27th. We got another one right over here. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you can see actually here on the 1 hourly chart, the reason why we are getting this major rejection. Okay, you can see the VPSV at this major line, all right? And this is why we are getting rejected. And the entire volume profile from the last 5 months is exactly the biggest point of control reacting as resistance right now. This is why we need to be super cautious. What I want to explain here is that once we do break above this huge solid volume profile, okay, and this major resistance, which is the last lower high from this descending wedge, and the biggest point of control, if we have an explosive breakout in the coming hours with huge volume, it will be very likely blue skies for Bitcoin. We're probably going to consolidate, create a higher low here and continue to the upside, potentially to reach the top of the wedge, which is in between $42.5 and $43,000 in the next coming days, potentially a week or two, or depending on the retracements that we do have. Now, of course, we are having this bearish case scenario right now, okay, where we maybe not managing to break above the last lower high and get a big massive rejection, break down these levels, stop out all of those people that are extremely over leveraged to the long side, and finally, you know, having a major drop to potentially $37,000 or slightly lower. Okay. Now we do know that the $37,000 is a major level if we do come down there in the next couple of days, because we have a strong daily level and it's also the support from these lower lows. We could expect an aggressive bounce, okay, if we do hit that level. Stay cautious with trading. I am in a long position. I did manage to get into a long position here at 38K, protected my position already because I know it's a dangerous day to trade with, guys. Remember, you got an insane bonus down below that you can claim, okay, up to $44,050 to claim. Also, you have 0% make a fee, meaning if you sign up with a link, you have 30 days of free fee, which is absolutely phenomenal. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website because we post the latest news, technical analysis, ideas. Totally free information is also down below in the description. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.